Hello everyone, welcome back. So I want to talk about why we choose Figma compared to other design tools, right? So Figma is one of the most popular design tools today because of its versatility, collaboration features, and ease of use. Here's why many designers and teams prefer Figma. Number one is that it is cloud based, okay? You don't need to install heavy software. Um, it works directly in your browser on any device. Okay, your files are always saved and accessible online, right? Okay, number two, it's it's real-time collaboration. Okay, multiple people can work on the same design at the same time, and you can see each other's cursor live. Great for teamwork, ideal for remote teams and client feedback. Okay. Number three is it's an all-in-one design tool. Okay. You can prototype, design, share in one place. Okay. No need switching between four different tools for framing, UI design, or prototyping. Right. Number four, it's beginner friendly and intuitive. Okay. Clean and simple interface, easy to learn, great for both beginners and professionals, right? Number five, it's powerful features, right? Components, auto layout, constraints, vector tools, plugins, and more. It supports responsive design and scalable design systems, okay? Number six, developer handoff made easy, okay? Developers can inspect design specs, CSS, and assets without needing Figma accounts. Built-in dev mode for smoother collaboration. Okay. Number seven, it's free to get started with, right? Generous free plan with unlimited files and features, right? Great for individuals, students, and small teams. And finally, active community and resources. Okay. Thousands of free templates, UI kits, icon sets, and plugins, right? Vibrant community to learn from and share with.